Welcome to Kidsedutainment. Please click to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get updates on new videos. You remember Jack in our previous basic subtraction video. Jack have 14 raspberry with him. He just ate 3. So how many raspberry left? There are 2 columns here, the right is called ones and left is tens.
Let's subtract ones first. 4 minus 3 equals 1.
Now tens column, there is only 1 in the top, but no number in bottom. That means there is nothing to subtract. So we bring down the 1, the answer is 11. Isn't so easy? Subtraction is just like sharing or taking away. The answer to a subtraction problem is called the difference. Now we will learn how to subtract double-digit number. Suppose you have 66 blueberry, you and your friend eat 54 of them, how many do you have left? First we will subtract ones column, and we'll cover left. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now tens column. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. The difference is 12. Great job. Alright, let's do another one. How about 87 to 65? First subtract the right side, that means ones. 7 minus 5. The difference is 2. Next, we just subtract the left side, the tens column. 8 minus 6. The difference is 2. So the answer is 22. That's for today. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.